Hey, this is Dwayne Mooney. How are you? I wanted to let you know these two trades that we're in dealing with the Euro US. We got in at 1468 right here, this area, and it's dropped down to this area, 1434. 1488 here, 1.1486 got in right here, and it dropped to this level. We'll stay in. Looks like it's hit a new resistance right here. We'll see. We got in right here, and now it's at a new resistance here. So it'll probably continue to come down to this area. That's on the hour chart. Let's look at the day chart. Euro US, you see the drop from here to here. Let me open that up some more. You see the drop where we got in because I saw this area right here. See, it's on a downtrend. You see it's on a downtrend. So when it went up, it hit this area right here. It made me get in because this looks like a strong resistance, especially when it started retracting. I jumped in it, and now it's looks like it's at a serious resistance right here, so it should be coming down. Now, what if it doesn't? I don't know. It may go back up. So what I'll do is take some of the profit off the table. I'll take a lot of the profit off the table. In fact, I'll take at least half. Oh, more than half. Take that off the table. And what I'll do is move the stop loss up to 20 pips. It's at 1486 to 50 pips on 1433, so that's 53 pips. I'll modify that position, stop loss, put it at 1454. Now I gotta if it goes up to this area, it'll take me out of the trade. So I'm good. Now let's look at US Japanese. Okay, let's look at this. Now it went up. We got in at 113.17. I had a pending order, so I had it somewhere around right here, this area. Because it looks like on the daily chart, the trend was up here, came back down, this area here. Wish I would have saw it earlier around this area. I didn't see it that early. So it looks like the trend is up. It retracted down and went sideways and went back up. So when it came down here, this area, that just looked like a good area, a good support area here. Of course, it's a resistance if it's looking in this area, but it cleared that. So when it cleared it, this area, and it kept going sideways, just looked like a good area to get in the trade at 113.17. So it took the trade. You probably see it better on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, see, you can see it better. See, on the 4-hour chart, you see it all the way over here. This was the new support area, right in this area. And look what it did. Just shot up. Now it looks like it's about to come down, so I'm going to get out of this trade. Wait a minute. Said the euro was coming down. Which one am I talking about now? Yeah. So it got in at 113. I'm at the US Japanese. So US Japanese is up. Again, it was going up. It dropped. So it looks like it was going back up. But it looks like it's coming down now. So I'm going to get out of this US Japanese altogether and just close the trade. Because it looks like it's hit a resistance in this area. And it's just time to close out the trade where I am. It's went high enough. It's peaked. So I'm still in this trade. The the Euro US. Because it looks like if it goes over this area, I'll get out. I should have made it. I gave it 20 pips, 1.1454 stop loss. So if it goes 20 pips up, I'm out anyway. So I'm going to go to sleep, enjoy my rest, and see what else is going on before I do any other trades. Do I see anything August? Let me see. It looks like. Oh, missed that one. Missed that one. Missed that trade. Look at that. That's on the 15-minute chart. But you see that break. Missed that wonderful trade. Looks good though. Let's look at it on the 4-hour. Yeah, got the retraction going. That looks like a good trade. Looks like it's about to go down. When I look at that on the 4-hour chart, I'm looking at. That's the area. So what I would do is I wouldn't get in it now. I would put a pending order at 0.7299. pending order. 0.7299. Sell limit, because I think it's going to go down. That's how I do it. 7299. That area. Right here, that's my resistance. Here I expect it to hit in that area again and then come down. Let's get close here, here, here. Put order there. Wanting to hit that, then come down. Let's look at the the daily chart. Yeah. See, I think it'll hit it again. Hit it here. Went past it. Hit it. I think it'll hit it again before it goes down. That's what I'm expecting anyway. Okay. So, what else is going on? Oh, this looks like a good trade. Good for a sale. Yeah. I'll be looking at that for trade. I mean, that looks so good. Let's look at the 4-hour chart, because that was yeah, that looks good. Definitely sell trade. It looks like a top at a resistance. We're going to do a sell. We're going to get in this right now. We're not going to even wait. That's where we like it. Boom. Sell trade. This is going to come down. Let's see where we will do our stop loss. Ooh, see, that's high. It's like, I gotta look at the 1 month chart for weekly. See if we can see something. Yeah, looks like it's had a strong resistance even on the weekly chart. See, the trend is pretty much down. Came up, really came up here. It's kind of, which I don't do weekly too much, but it looks like right there. This is the trading zone on the weekly chart. Just where I can see it better. It's right, oops. It's right here. It's your trading zone. So we expect it to come down. Strong areas here of resistance in this area. Expect it to come down. Make some money. Now let's look at the so what would I do? I would do the my stop loss after this area here. So I'll do my stop loss 82.83, 83.84, probably at 83.34. My stop loss. That's if you do stop losses. When you hit these points, most of the time you don't even have to do them. 83, 34, but just